In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock elements in Canva. This is a really simple feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping your designs neat, organized, and frustration-free, especially when you're working with multiple elements on the same page. Let's start with the basic idea. Locking an element in Canva means you're telling the program, don't let this move or change by accident. This is especially helpful for backgrounds, frames, or key pieces of your layout that you want to stay exactly where they are while you adjust everything else around them. First, make sure you're on your Canva design and that you can see the element you want to lock. This could be anything: a photo, a text box, a shape, an icon, or even a group of elements. To select it, simply click once on the element. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box or outline appear around it, which means it's ready for editing. Now that it's selected, you can lock it in one of two easy ways. The first way is to look for the small lock icon in the toolbar that appears when the element is selected. It's usually located near the top of the screen. Click on that lock icon. As soon as you do, the element becomes locked in place. You won't be able to accidentally move it, resize it, or change it until you unlock it again. The second way to lock an element is by using the right-click menu. With the element selected, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. In that menu, look for the option that says Lock. Click on Lock, and the element will be locked just like before. Now, if you ever need to make changes to that element, you'll have to unlock it first. To unlock it, click on the locked element. You'll notice the same lock icon in the toolbar at the top. Click the lock icon again, and it will switch back to an unlocked state. You can now freely move, resize, or edit it. You can also unlock it from the right-click menu. Right-click on the locked element, and in the menu that appears, choose Unlock. Once you do that, the element is editable again. Use locking whenever you're happy with your layout and don't want certain pieces to shift while you keep designing. It keeps your workflow smoother and your designs more consistent.